Hello, this is a video tour of number 53 Highbury Road, which is a 2-bedroom mid-terrace property. Leading to the house, there is an enclosed foregarden, which you'll note has got a picket style fence surrounding the garden area. To the left of the house there is access to a locked side passageway, which does provide access to the rear garden. And leading into the foregarden there is a gate, blue brick laid pathway. There is a slated garden area with a hydrangea, and there is a step up to a tiled area with an open canopy and the private entrance door leading into the first reception room. In reception room 1 there is a bay window, a ceiling light point with a rose, decorative coving. There is a feature original style fireplace inset to the chimney breast. Either side of the recesses are shelving. There are cupboards housing the meters, further fitted shelving below, and the flooring in here is laid with wood laminate. From this room there is access into the second reception room and also an open understair storage area, which you'll see ahead. And you'll note that the wood flooring does lead through from the first reception room through into the second reception room also. Second reception room there is a window providing views over the rear garden. There is a ceiling light point with a rose. There are wall mounted lights, and there are also wall mounted lights in the first room as well. There is coving, a ceiling rose, the wood laminate flooring, and again there is an original style feature fireplace set on a tiled hearth. From this room there is access to the staircase, which is located ahead, and there is also a door with a step down into the kitchen. In the kitchen there are 2 windows to the side. At the rear of the kitchen there is a stable style door with access into the garden. There are a range of spotlights. The flooring is tiled, and there is a range of wall and base units with work surfaces over. On the right hand side there is an integrated oven with a gas hob over and a cooker hood. There is a 1.5 bowl sink with the mixer tap, under counter plumbing and space for a washing machine and a dishwasher, and at the rear of the kitchen there is space for a standing fridge freezer and a fridge or freezer. So the sizes of this room are available on our sales particulars, like with all of the rooms as well. First floor accommodation is accessed from the second reception room with a staircase with spotlights leading up to the first floor landing, where there is a ceiling light point, radiator, and there are doors to bedrooms 1, 2 and the bathroom. Bedroom 1 is located at the front of the house. In here there are 2 windows, a ceiling light point with a rose and a radiator. The second bedroom does have a window overlooking the rear garden. In here there is a ceiling light point with a rose. There is also access to an overstair storage cupboard, inside of which there is a loft hatch with access into the loft. You will note that both bedrooms upstairs are a good size, as they do go over the alley. Lastly, we do have the bathroom. You'll note that there are steps down into the space. There is an obscure window to the rear, a ceiling light point. The walls are fully tiled and the flooring is also tiled. There is a low-level flush WC. There is a pedestal wash hand basin, heated towel rail, and there is also a bath with a telephone style shower head over. Lastly, there is access behind the door to an airing cupboard, and inside is the boiler. The garden can be accessed via the gated side entry located ahead, and also via the stable door from the kitchen. You'll note that there are pavement slabs leading to a small gravel area where there is access to the outside WC. There is then a patio seating area, and there is a lawn with borders on the right, a gravel area on the left hand side, and at the rear of the garden there is a small step up to a further seating area with space for sheds. Now that does conclude the video tour for the property. If you are interested in arranging a viewing, please call the office and we will look forward to seeing you soon.